Good morning, everyone. So, we are here at Barangay Mapalad, Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija. I'm Juana Rosa Balta.
Hi, I'm Jamia Padilla. I'm Rosalinda Loreno.
I'm Erica Jane C. Lacaden.
So, now, we gather here to do a clean-up drive for this barangay.
In every community, the importance of a clean and healthy environment cannot be overstated. That's why cleanup drives in our barangay play a vital role in maintaining the well-being and prosperity of our neighborhoods. Firstly, this effort significantly enhance public health by reducing waste and preventing the accumulations of garbage. We minimize the risk of disease such as dengue and cholera, creating a safer, healthier environment for all. Secondly, cleanup drives are crucial for protecting our environment. They prevent harmful waste from populating our waterways and natural habitats, safeguarding our local ecosystem and ensuring clean water for future generations. Furthermore, these initiatives bring our community closer together. They foster a sense of unity and shared responsibility as residents come together to take pride in their surroundings and work towards a common goal. Finally, the aesthetic benefits of a clean barangay are undeniable. Clean streets, parks, and public spaces not only look beautiful but also improve our overall quality of life and boost local morale. So let's continue to support and participate in cleanup drives. Together we can create a healthier, greener, and more vibrant community for everyone. Join us in making a difference, one cleanup drive at a time.
Engaging a cleanup drive has several positive impacts on the environment. Firstly, by actively participating in cleanup litter and waste, we contribute to the preservation and natural habitats and ecosystem. Removing debris from river, parks, and other natural areas help protect wildlife from ingesting or becoming entangled in harmful materials. Secondly, cleanup drives promote environmental awareness and encourage others to take responsibility for their action regarding waste disposal. By leading by example, you can inspire community members to adopt more sustainable practices and reduce littering in the future. Moreover, cleanup drives often involve sorting and recycling collected materials, diverting the from landfills and conserving valuable resources. Recycling items like plastic bottles, aluminum cans, and proper reduces the demand for raw materials and decreases pollution associated with manufacturing processes. Overall, our participation in a cleanup drive directly contributes to a cleaner, healthier environment, fosters community engagement, and promotes long-term environmental.
Good morning po ulit. Ayan, katatapos lang po namin mag-clean up and personally po, I'm happy to help the barangay to clean the surroundings of their barangay hall and barangay gymnasium.
Ayun po, masaya nga po, and then nakatulong din po kami sa mga officials na nanunungkulan dito sa aming barangay. Then napakita po namin yung importansya ng pamamagitan ng paglilinis po.
Ako po is masaya po to help other people po, and then po bawas din po sa gawain sa mga tagapaglinis dito sa barangay.
So, ayun, hindi lang masaya kundi may na-experience din kami na
na hindi lang puro kalat yung kailangan natin gawin, then kailangan din talaga natin linisin yung ating kapaligiran kasi hindi lang sa sarili natin kundi para sa ibang tao na rin na pumupunta sa ating mga barangay. So kailangan talaga is malinis talaga yung ating barangay para isa na din yun sa magandang image ng ating barangay, yung paglilinis. So yun lang po.